You've read the title, and I may have, well, let's not say lied, and the truth. Yeah, that's good. Before you go, I did get pretty close, and while I may not have won, the journey was pretty interesting. So what is ScoreJam 37? ScoreJam 37 is a 3-day game jam, where developers are tasked with making a game that includes a score system, along with a theme that's revealed when the jam starts. And this time, the theme was... how do I make a soccer game? What do I even do with that? I started the jam by making an online scoreboard system in Godot. Shadow, come on, who wants to watch this? Like, seriously, I'm editing the video, and I don't even think this is interesting. So, for the sake of you guys, we're just gonna skip ahead. So, after day 1, this is what I had. Meet Ball Boy. He does not get paid enough for this. Actually, he doesn't get paid at all, but that's fine because I don't pay my employees. It's called Passion, look it up. The whole game loop was already in place, which was not the plan. It's basically the offline dinosaur game, but top-down, and instead of cacti and pterodactyls, you're dodging cones, flags, and code that looks like an Italian's wet dream. Meanwhile, my friend and other unpaid employee, Eleged, got to work on music, which we'll be adding tomorrow. Speaking of which... Day 2 is always the weird one. Day 1 is pure adrenaline, and Day 3 is pure panic. But Day 2 is just you, and the creeping realization that you may have overscoped. You've still got leftover confidence from Day 1, which makes it very easy to convince yourself you can add more stuff. But I have a solution for that. 3 tips for game development awesomeness, success, and being really cool totally. Make a needs and a wants list. Finish the needs first, and after that, you can work on the wants list. It doesn't have to be perfect. Nobody cares as much as you think they do. Things can just be bad. You can always improve it later too. And before number 3, you've made it this far, which probably means you're enjoying the video. Subscribing is free and it helps a ton. It's the fastest way to improve my god-awful upload schedule. Finally, underscope it. Adding features later is easy, but adding time after the deadline isn't. By day 2, the core loop was done, so today wasn't about piling on features. It was about trying to make the game not blue screen every 10 minutes. And don't even get me started on balancing. Speeds, spawn rates, score scaling, it's all the invisible stuff that decides whether a game feels fair. And trial and error is the only solution, which is not ideal when the clock is actively breathing down your neck. This is also around when the music started to come together. This is perfect. Day 3 started with confidence, and that lasted about 5 minutes. There was still one thing missing: enemies. Obstacles are fine, but only for so long. The game needs pressure, movement, something that actually wanted you to lose. I made the camera slowly zoom out as your speed increases, which keeps things from feeling cramped. Then at around 5,000 points, other players start chasing and slide tackling you. But shout out, those are just recolored ball boys. And so what if I cut corners? Do you want a medal? Oh, and I also added a tutorial. I never claimed to be an artist, okay? Speaking of which though, I threw together some main menu art. But finally it was time to submit. Ball Boy didn't win ScoreJam 37, but it got much closer than I expected. 7th place? Compared to my last game jam submission, this is mind-blowing. But to be fair, I wasn't the skilled, cool, handsome CRT I am today. Anyways, thanks for watching. These videos take a lot of effort, and I'm genuinely proud of how this one turned out. If you enjoyed it, liking and subscribing helps more than you think. You can also try and beat the high score in Ball Boy, links in the description. The music will be out on one of Eleged's channels too, links also in the description. And with that, thanks for watching. Oh, and for anyone wondering, Ball Boy is still unpaid. He does get health insurance now though, which is something, I guess.